Welcome. In this video, I'll show you how to back up WhatsApp to iCloud. All right, if you find this video helpful, please leave a like and subscribe to the channel for more such tutorials. So first up, tap on WhatsApp to open it up. Wait for it and go ahead over to your settings right here at the bottom right. Tap on settings, scroll down, find chats, and tap on chat backup right here. And make sure that auto backup is enabled. Okay, set this up to daily, weekly, or monthly. It's up to you. And then after that, go ahead over to your settings, okay, or the settings app. Go to your iCloud account right here. Now tap on iCloud. Here we have the apps or the app section. So just go ahead and tap on it. Find WhatsApp. And just make sure that this one is enabled. And make sure that your iCloud is not full. Okay. Right here, tap on iCloud backup. And just tap on backup now or just enable automatic backup. All right. And there you have it. That is how you back up your WhatsApp to iCloud. I hope this video helps and I'll see you in the next one.